My name is Dr. Donja Heinrich. I'm a plastic surgeon from Germany, and I've been in aesthetic medicine, aesthetic surgery for the last 10 years. And I've been doing liposuctions, and my results are nice and my patients are happy. Although I wanted to develop myself into those energy-based tools, and I found ECAMS, and I like the concept of ECAMS because they accompany you first on a theoretical module way and before of the practical training, and the organization, the whole organization, they is very professional. They reply quick, and they also provide business tips, for example. Having Dr. Kandulu as a faculty member or as an expert for the hands-on training was also a point where I decided to do the program with ECAMS. And I'm really pleased to see how much effort you put into show me a wide variety of cases. So like really showing all the tips and tricks and taking care that the trainee understands the importance of safety for the patient and creating beautiful and safe results. Also, what I liked a lot is it's like the concept of see one and then do one, and really making sure that you're advancing in your own speed, the speed of the trainee. I've been here now for 4 days. It was a very, very nice experience. My expectations are fulfilled, so I can totally recommend it because the hands-on is a very important part to learn those techniques, to have a feeling for the tissue, and that's just what ECAMS and Dr. Kandulu can provide.
She's a great plastic surgeon. Just I would like to thanks to her because her performance was amazing. I always enjoyed when I try to give something and I see that they grab immediately and they start to perform. Congratulations.
Thank you, Dr. Kandulu. Thanks a lot.